Hello kids, I welcome in the math session.
So let's start the exercise 7.4. So children, let's start exercise 7.4. But before starting, just see this. Open page number 93. The comparison of fraction. You know children, to compare a number, we use these signs. Now similarly, here also we are going to use these. But few factors we have like comparing fractions with the same numerator. Comparing fractions with the same denominator and comparing unlike fractions. Now children, see the first head. Comparing fractions with the same denominator means when we have the same denominators, you can see. So when we have the same denominator, the rules are same as we do in the whole numbers, like 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Which is the greater? This one, 4 by 5. 8 by 9, 5 by 9. Which is the greater? 8 by 9. 21 by 25 and 19 by 25. So 21 by 25 is greater. And in this case 130 by 150 is greater. Now see next comparison. Comparing fractions with the same numerator. When the numerator is same, like you can see this 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 is same. 7 by 25, 7 by 32 and 92. The numerators are same. So in this case the smaller one is the bigger, like 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 is smaller, but when the numerators are same, so this side is greater. In the next one, 1 by 8, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is greater. See the next one, 7 by 25, 7 by 32. So 7 by 25. And in this case, see 92 numerator is same, so the smaller one will be greater. Now the third one, comparing unlike fractions. See children, neither the numerator is same nor the denominator. So these are unlike fractions. So how you will do? See, now we need to make the denominator same. Take the LCM. So the LCM of 7 and 11 will be 77. Okay. Now this 11 you have to make 77. So what we can do? Multiply by 7. So what we get? 8 sevens are 56 by 77. And this side what we can do? 4 by 7 into 11. So here what we get? 44 by 77. So easily now we can do comparison. 56 by 77 and 44 by 77. So 56 is greater. So therefore, or you can write 8 by 11 and 4 by 7. So 8 by 11 is greater. Now see the next example. 3 by 5 and 9 by 15. Now children, I explain you how to reduce the fraction. We can see this fraction. We can reduce it like 3 by 5 and 9 by 15. 3 3s are and 3 5s are. Ultimately, they are equal now. So we can write these are equal. So children, see exercise 7.4. Question number 1, filling the blanks. Now children, if you learn how to do the comparison, so you can do ascending order and descending order. Now let's see how to do in register. Now see the children, 11 by 14, 9 by 14. Denominators are same, the rule will be same. 11 by 14 is greater. If the numerator is greater, the smaller one becomes the greater one. Now see one more example. 15 by 55 and 3 by 11. So this side we can simplify by 5 3s are and 5 1s are and 1s are. So 3 by 11. So finally both are equal. This is the answer. Let's see one more example. 5 by 24 and 7 by 36. Now children, you cannot simplify anything. So just find out the LCM of 24 and 36. What we get? You know how to find the LCM? You will get 72. Now what we have to do? We have to make this 24 72 and this 36 denominator also 72. So what we can do? We can multiply it by 3. and this side what we can do, multiply by 2. So now what we get here, 15 by 72, and here what we get, 14 by 72. Now easily we can compare, children. 15 by 72 and 14 by 72. So this side is greater, or you can write 5 by 24, 7 by 36. So this side is greater. This is the answer. Now see how to do the ascending order. Ascending order is small to big, smaller to bigger. So children, first find out, we have seen the denominators are not same. Find the LCM. LCM of 5, 10 and 20. So you will get 20. Now make this 20. So what we can do? 3 by 5. We can multiply it by 4. What we get? 3 4s are 12 and 20. Now next term is same. No need of doing anything. Now in next term, only we need to multiply it by 2. So what we get? 2 2s are 4 and 20. So this and this. Now these are the final terms. Now easily we can do in ascending order. The smallest one, 4 by 20. Then the greater number, 5 by 20. Now the greatest number, 12 by 20. So you can write 2 by 10, then 5 by 20 and the last number 3 by 5. This is the answer. Now see the descending, third question, descending order. Descending order is bigger to smaller. Now again children, these all are unlike fractions. So we will find the LCM of 4, 8 and 16. So you will get 16. Now make the denominator same, means like fraction. So 2 by 4, you will multiply by 4. So you get 8 by 16. Then the second one, 5 by 8 into 2. So you get 10 by 16. And the last one, already it has denominator 16. So now you have to write the biggest one in descending order. So it will be 11 by 16. Then 10 by 16. Then 8 by 16. So this is the answer, or you can write 11 by 16, 5 by 8. This 10 by 16 is 5 by 8 and 8 by 16 is 2 by 4. This is the answer. Now children, see the last question of this exercise. On sports day, Tina jumped 7 by 12 feet on long jump event. Meena jumped 3 whole 1 by 16 feet.
Who jumped further, Meena or Tina?
So again you have to do comparison and you will find out. See the solution children. Write it. Tina jumped 4 whole 7 by 12 feet. Now you can change it into improper. So 12 fours is 48. 48 plus 7, 55 by 12 feet. And Meena jumped 3 whole 1 by 6 feet. That will be 19 by 6 feet. Now you have to compare it. So you need to find the LCM. LCM will be 12. LCM of 6 and 12. It will be 12. Now 55, already it has 12 in denominator. Now other side is 19 by 6. Multiply by 2. So we get 38 by 12. Now you can compare this. Tina 55 by 12. So at last write, therefore
Tina jumped further than Meena. This is the answer.
So now children, I have explained the whole exercise. Try it. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment section. Thank you.